It's a beautiful day for remote learning, a beautiful day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a studently day in this beauty wood, a studently day for a lesson. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a student just like you. I've always wanted to teach in a classroom with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my student? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my student?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Nichols' Neighborhood. It's me, your teacher, Miss Nickel, and I'm here with my best remote teacher helper, my sister Kayla Nickel.
Hi.
Hi. This video is all about fluency practice. That means we're going to be working on becoming more fluent or quicker, smoother at subtraction problems. Our kindergartners, we've just about wrapped up our time in subtraction. This will be our last lesson video all about subtraction. So I made a video just about fluency practice to hopefully give us that final push to be comfortable and feel really good about being able to do subtraction. Okay? So let's go ahead and look at some problems just like you'll see in your learning packet. Just like in your learning packet, you'll have a whole page of subtraction problems. So I tried to fit 2 problems on the board to get us used to seeing quite a few subtraction problems for us to do. If it becomes a little too much for you on your learning packet, you can put another piece of paper in front of it to help you focus on one problem at a time. If you need to do that, please do so, okay? Let's go ahead, look up here at our first problem. We need to write our very own subtraction number sentence. First, remember, the first number is how many you start with. So we need to count all the bunnies we're starting with, even the ones that are X'd out, because they still started with them here. So we need to count all the bunnies, okay?
Here.
The whole number we start with. We're going to count all of them. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. How many do we start with?
I say 4.
4. Very good. So you would write 4 here in the first spot. 4. Then, I know on your learning packet it will already tell you, but let's try to remember, what sign do we use to show we have to take away that we're doing subtraction? What sign do we write next to show that bunnies are being taken away?
Hey.
The minus or take away sign, yes, so we'll trace that. Minus or take away, sorry that looked funky the first time. 4, minus or take away. Next we write how many we're taking away. How many are marked off or crossed out or have an X on them to say bye to those bunnies. Okay? So now we have to count how many we're taking away. You're going to count all together. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many are we taking away?
I say 3.
3, yes. So we'll write 3 here. 4, take away 3. Then what sign do we have to write to show is, what the answer is? The answer's coming up. What sign do we write?
Yeah.
The equal sign. Good job, Kayla, if that's what you were thinking too. Good job. Your learning packet will already have it outlined for you, but make sure you trace equals. 4, take away 3 equals. Now we need to count how many bunnies are left. how many are still here? Okay, let's count together. Ready, set, count with me. 1.
What?
How many are left?
I say what?
1. That's it. So we write our answer here. Nice job. Let's go back though. Always reread and check your problem to see what we said. Ready, set, read with me. 4 minus or take away 3 equals 1. Good. We started with 4 bunnies. We took away or said bye to 3 of them, which equals or means we have 1 left. Do we feel good about that?
Right.
Yes. Okay. Yay. Let's go ahead. Let's move on to the next problem. Remember, we're becoming fluent. Fluency practice, becoming fluent, able to do those subtraction problems. Let's look at the next problem. Once again, we'll need to write our subtraction number sentence. Write what's going on here. Okay? That first line, we're going to write how many frogs we start with. Even the ones that are X'd out, because they were originally there. Okay? So let's get ready to count all the frogs. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many frogs am I starting with?
I say 3.
3. Nice work. Good. So I write 3 here. The number we started with was 3. Good. Now, am I getting more frogs, or are we saying bye? Take away frogs. Take away, yes, like bye. That's why they're X'd out. They're being taken away. They're leaving. So we need to write the minus or take away sign here. 3 minus or take away. Now we have to write how many we are taking away. How many have an X on them that we're saying bye to? So let's count how many have an X on them. You ready? Set, count with me. 1.
I say what?
How many are we taking away?
I say what?
1. Nice job. So we write 1 right here. 3, take away 1. Then what sign do I write to show 3 take away 1 is? Or the answer's coming up. What sign do I write there? Good, Kaylee sign an equals sign, yep. So I write equals. Now I have to find and write my answer. 3 take away 1 equals, how many are left? That's the question we need to answer. How many are left? How many don't have an X on them? How many are left here? Okay? Let's go ahead and count how many are left. Ready, set, count with me. 1,
2.
2. Good. How many are left?
I say 2.
2. If that's what you're counting along with as well, good job. So we write 2 right here. Good. But let's go back. Always double check your work. Ready? We're going to read together. Set. Read with me. 3 minus or take away 1 equals 2. Yeah, we have 3. Take away 1 equals 2.
2.
Yes. Nice work. If you're following along at home and that's what you're getting, great job, okay? Keep it up. Keep becoming more and more fluent or quicker, smoother at doing subtraction, okay? If we still need some more practice, that's okay. Kayla and I will be right back with 2 more problems.
Okay.
Here's our next 2 problems. Once again, let's look up here and take note of what we need to do. Looks like we need to write a subtraction number sentence. I see a group of something, then I see some being taken away, or minus, or subtracted away. So we need to write a subtraction number sentence. let's remember the first spot is to write how many you started with. Even the ones that are going to be said goodbye to later. Still need to count them all up, okay? So let's go ahead, count together how many birds we start with. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many birds are we starting with?
Okay, that's it.
7, good. So I'm going to write 7 right here. 7. And then am I getting more birds or am I taking birds away?
Okay.
Minus, take away. Good job, Kaylee. So I write the minus sign, 7, minus or take away. Now we need to write how many are being taken away. How many have an X on them to say, hey, they're gone. Bye-bye to them. Okay? Let's go ahead, thanks Kaylee, and count how many are crossed out. How many we take away. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Good. How many are we taking away?
I say 3.
3. Very good. So we'll write a 3 over here. 7. Take away 3. Then what sign do we need to write to show 7 take away 3 is? What sign do we need to write here? Equals. Yes, like the answer's coming up. Equals. Good. Now, we had 7. We took away 3. We need to count and write how many are left. How many don't have an X on them? How many are left? So let's go ahead and count up the ones that are still here, still left, okay? Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left?
4.
4, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left?
I say 4.
4, good. So we write our answer right here. 4. And let's go ahead, we go back. Reread, double check your problem. Okay? Ready, set, read with me. 7, take away 3 equals 4.
4.
Yep, we had 7 birds. We minus or take away, say bye-bye to 3 of them. And that equals, we only had 4 left. That was subtraction, yes.
Yeah.
And hopefully, just like you'll do in your learning packet, we're going to move right on to the next problem. Want to build up that fluency, being able to do the problems correctly and at good pace, okay? So let's go right into the next problem. I see I'm going to have to write a subtraction number sentence. Remember, the first spot is to write how many you start with, okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and count all together how many we're starting with. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chickens are we starting with?
I say 5.
5. Very good. So we'll go ahead and write 5 right here. 5 chickens. Now, do you see that more chickens are joining or that chickens are having an X on them because they're being taken away? They're leaving. Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah, minus, take away. So we write the minus or take away sign because we see we're leaving some birds. Bye. Okay? 5 minus or take away. Now we need to write how many are X'd out. How many are leaving? Okay? So let's get ready and count together how many we're saying goodbye to. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2. Good. How many are leaving?
I say 2.
2. Very good. So we write 2 right here. 5 minus or take away 2. Then what sign do I need to write to say 5 take away 2 is? What sign is that? Equals. Yes, Kaylee. Equals. Now I write how many are left. How many are still here? Okay? Ready, set, you're going to count with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many are left?
I say 3.
3. Very good. So we write our answer over here, the last spot. 3. And just want to make sure we're super careful that we're getting our best work done. Let's go back, reread what we wrote. Ready, set, read with me. 5 minus or take away 2 equals 3. Yep, we started with 5 chickens. Took away 2, bye-bye. And that equals, or means we had 3 left. Nice job doing subtraction. Okay, Kaylee and I are going to prepare one last problem for you where we give you lots of think time to practice solving it, okay? I'm hoping we're becoming more and more fluent and comfortable with solving subtraction problems, having to write out subtraction number sentences. We'll be right back.
Okay.
We're back with our last fluency practice problem. This problem, Kaylee and I will be quite a bit to give you lots of think time to kind of put your fluency practice into use, okay? That way you can kind of see, hey, I need to rewatch this video or do some more practice. Or maybe you're like, oh yeah, I got this, and you're ready to keep going on to your learning packet. Either way, let's just try our best. So let's look up here. We are once again writing a subtraction number sentence. The first number, you need to write how many pigs you start with, okay? You're going to count all the pigs up. You ready? Kaylee and I will be quiet while you count all the pigs. Okay, maybe that was enough time. If not, go ahead and pause us. Okay, let's continue. Keep your answer in your head. Let's go ahead and look up here. Count together to double check. Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we start with?
I say 6.
6, yes, so we will write 6 right here. 6. Good. Now, question for you. What sign do we have to put next to show that we're taking pigs away? Is it the minus or equal sign? The minus or take away or the equal sign? What sign comes next to show we're doing subtraction? Kaylee's showing it here. Can you do it up high so they can see it?
Here.
The minus or take away sign. Yes, if that's what you said at home, great job. So we write minus or take away 6 minus or take away. Now we write how many are you taking away? How many are X'd out or marked out showing we're taking them away. Bye. So we'll give you think time while you count how many are leaving, how many are being taken away. Okay, hopefully that was enough time for you. If not, just pause us. Keep your answer in your head. Let's double check. How many are we taking away? You're going to count with me. Ready, set, count with me. 1. How many are we taking away?
I say 1.
1. Very good. So we write 1 right here. Good. 6 minus or take away 1. Now what sign do we write here to show 6 take away 1 is? What sign goes there? Is it the minus sign again or the equal sign?
Higher.
Very good, Kaylee. Equal sign. If that's what you were saying at home, yes. Equals.
Yeah.
6 take away 1 equals. Now you need to count how many are left. How many pigs stayed and are still left here? Okay? We'll give you some think time while you count how many pigs are still left. Okay, hopefully that was enough time. If not, please pause us. Okay, keep your answer in your head. Let's go ahead and double check how many are still left, okay? Ready, set, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are still left?
I said 5.
5. Good job. If that's what you got, yes. Nice work. So you're at 5 over here. We have our subtraction number sentence, but are we done? No, we go back. Double check our work, okay? Now read it with me. Ready, set, read with me. 6 minus or take away 1 equals 5.
Happy.
Does that make sense? We had 6. Okay. Take away or say bye-bye to 1. And we had 5 left. Yes. If that's what you got at home too, great job. If still need some more practice, that's okay. Before we leave for today, I want to remind you, just try your best on your fluency practice. If having that many subtraction problems on your paper is too much, get another blank piece of paper and block out the rest of the problems you're not doing. Also make sure you're counting very carefully. Don't just go all over. Usually go across and count, then go to the next row and count. Make sure you're counting very carefully, okay?
Yeah.
Those are our last tips. I hope you have a great time practicing your subtraction and becoming better and better at it. Have a great rest of your remote learning day. Bye, guys.
Happy.